Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to use the verb can in English. What does it mean? The verb can shows ability to do something, so you are able or not able to do something. It does not describe the action itself, such as jumping or running, only if you can or cannot do it. For example, I am able to swim. I can swim. Or the bird is able to fly. The bird can fly. Good! Why is the verb can such a convenient word to use? Because it only has one form in the present tense, and we do not need to change anything while using the other pronouns. I can swim, he can swim, she can swim, you can swim. We don't change anything, it only has one form, the form can. Let's practice. Let's say the fish is able to swim. The fish can swim. Or let's say the frog is able to jump. The frog can jump. Good. Now, how do we make a question? To make a question using the verb can, we need to put it at the first place in the sentence. Let's practice. Birds can fly. Can birds fly? Good. Frogs can jump. Can frogs jump? Excellent. And now we will learn how to say that someone isn't able to do something. To do this, we need to add the particle not to the verb can. And then we have cannot, or the shorter form can't. Let's find a mistake in the sentences together. Birds can swim. Birds cannot swim, or birds can't swim. Fish can jump. Fish cannot jump, or fish can't jump. Frogs can fly. Frogs cannot fly, or frogs can't fly. Good! I hope it is now much clearer how to use the modal verb can in English. Thank you very much. Goodbye!